y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so these are some of the spoilers for the Ipsy August Plus Glam Bag. Now again, I'm still waiting on the bags. I don't know why they decided to put out spoilers before showing us the bags, but I'm going to give you what I got. So anyways guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a possible future BoxyCharm spoiler. Well, thank you so much, Stephanie Trescott. Stephanie says, woohoo, I'm first. Hey, Mandy. Well, hey, Stephanie, of course you got first, honey. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much for watching the video, love. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so here in just a second, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer, and if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that. It's going to turn this little red heart to a shade of blue for about a half second, so don't blink. And it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year. So who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Was that so hard? Now, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, these are some of the spoilers for the Ipsy August Glam Bag Plus box. So, first up is the Estate Cosmetics and the Bailey Sarian Venus Fling Eyeshadow Palette. If you don't know who Bailey is, I just love her. She does like Murder Mystery Mondays. I love watching them. So, I'm excited about this palette, guys. Next up is the Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipsticks. Now, there's 3 different shades. There is Feminist, there is Shiro, and there is Lady Boss. Next up is the LaRousse Beauty Face Brush Set. Looks like a 4-piece set here. And then last but certainly not least is the 111 Skin ATP Cryo Booster. And you know that stuff is expensive. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Lon Levy. Lon says second. Woohoo! Yep, you got second, Lon. I really appreciate that, honey. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. Now, there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.